Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Tesla Model Y air filter. First, find the glove box and carefully remove the lower trim panel beneath it. Next, you'll need to unscrew the two retaining bolts that hold the glove box in position. Once those are out, gently pull the entire glove box forward to reveal the air filter housing behind it. This gives you the space needed to proceed with the replacement. Now that the glove box is out of the way, disconnect the small electrical connector attached to the glove box light. This provides more room to work. Next, locate the tabs on the air filter housing cover and press them to release the cover. With the cover off, you can now pull out the old air filter. Make sure to observe its orientation, as the new filter needs to go in the same way.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. On another note, for all your car manuals and guides, or just for a great read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find the link to it and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With the old filter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new HEPA air filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually towards the cabin. Once the filter is seated, snap the filter housing cover back into place, making sure it's secure. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the glove box light. You're almost done. Now, let's put everything back together. Carefully push the glove box back into its original position until it's flush with the dashboard. Next, reinsert and tighten the two retaining bolts that hold the glove box in place. Make sure they are snug. Lastly, snap the lower trim panel back into place beneath the glove box. Give it a gentle push to ensure it's fully seated and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.